Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where learning English is simple, fun, and completely stress-free. I'm feeling very positive, very excited today.
Hello, Emma. And hello to all our amazing listeners from every corner of the world. Oh, wow. I don't know why, but today feels really special.
It really does. Alex, you look very happy today. What's the reason?
Good question. I think it's because of the future. A new year, new plans, new dreams, and new hope.
Oh, the future. Wow, that sounds exciting. Oh, I like that. But tell me, why are you thinking about the future today?
Well, a new year means a fresh start, a chance to do things better. And honestly, 2026 feels like a big opportunity. Like, this is my year.
Yes, exactly. I love that feeling. A new beginning, a clean page. No pressure, just possibilities. Oh, wow, I really love this energy. And that's why today's episode is very special. Today, we want to help you make a real plan. Not a boring plan, not a scary plan, but a plan you can actually follow.
Oh, really? What kind of plan?
Today, we are talking about how to learn English in 2026, the best study plan for beginners.
What? 2026 already? Oh my God, time is running fast.
True, but yes, many people want to learn English, and many people stop.
Yeah. They start with excitement, but after some time, oh no, they give up.
But not this time, not in 2026. This year is different, and we are here to help you. Let's be honest for a moment. Learning English is fun, but is it always easy?
Not really. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes it's confusing.
Yes, you need effort. You need patience. But good news is, you do not need to study 10 hours a day.
What? No way. 10 hours would kill me.
Exactly. The secret is not long study. The secret is daily study. Before we go further, if you like this podcast, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends learning English.
Oh, good point. Learning is better when we do it together.
Now, let's talk about the most important word for 2026. That word is consistency.
Consistency. What does that mean in simple words?
It means English every day. Not one day a lot, not 1 week only, but a little English every day.
Oh, now I understand. Like food. If I eat a lot on Sunday and don't eat on Monday, oh no, I'll be hungry.
Exactly. Your brain is hungry for English. Feed it a little every day. One learner told me, I study English only on weekends. I said, oh, okay, try 20 minutes every day. After 1 month, he said, wow, English feels easier now.
Wow, that's cool. Small steps really work.
So, what should you do every day? Step 1. Listening. Listen to podcasts like this. Listen to stories. Listen while walking, cooking, or relaxing.
Yeah, listening with tea sounds perfect.
All right, now let's move to step 2. Speaking. Many learners say, Emma, I understand English, but I cannot speak.
Oh wow, seriously? That sounds like me.
Yes, Alex. And let me tell you something very important. You do not need perfect English to speak. You just need brave English.
Brave English? Oh, okay. That sounds interesting.
Brave English means you speak even when you are not sure.
Sometimes I wait too long. I think, and then I say nothing.
Oh, that's very normal. But in 2026, we change this habit. Speak small sentences.
Like what?
Like, I am tired. I am learning English. I need help.
Oh, now I understand. That's easy. Once I tried to speak English and I said, I am agree.
That's funny. Almost correct.
Almost, but not perfect.
And that's okay. Mistakes are your teachers. One learner talked to himself every day, only 5 minutes. After 3 months, he said, Emma, words come out easily now.
Wow, really? Talking to yourself works.
Now, let's talk about writing. Don't worry, you don't need long essays.
Oh, good. Essays scare me.
Me too sometimes. Buy one simple notebook. Every day, write 3 to 5 new words, one small sentence. That's it.
Let me think. 5 words a day. Oh, wow, that's many words in 1 year.
Yes, small work plus time equals big result. A student wrote only 5 words daily. After 1 year, he said, I can understand movies better.
That's cool. Very motivating.
Now, a very important point. You are human, not a robot.
Beep, boop. I am not a robot.
Exactly. Sleep well, rest your brain, enjoy your life.
When I'm tired, English disappears from my head.
That's normal. A happy brain learns faster. So in 2026, remember, English time every day plus rest time equals success.
Oh, good point. Balance is important. What if I miss 1 day?
Oh, okay. Missing 1 day is not the problem. Stopping completely is the problem. Miss a day? Just start again tomorrow.
Ah, I see. No pressure.
Motivational. Think about December 2026. Imagine yourself speaking English, watching movies, talking to people from other countries.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I want that future.
Then continue, even when it's hard.
But mistakes? Oh, no, I hate mistakes.
Everyone does. But mistakes mean you are trying. In 2026, make many mistakes.
Okay, I will make many mistakes.
Friendly. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what will you do every day in 2026? Listening? Speaking? Writing?
Make a promise to yourself.
Thank you so much for listening today. We really believe in you.
Yes, we are with you. You can do this.
Please like, subscribe, and share this episode.
Study hard, but don't forget to enjoy.
This is Emma,
And this is Alex.
both warmly. See you next time. Let's make 2026 the year of English.